position, getting that high elbow, and having that with it. And from here, look out, oh yeah, spot where they're going to throw, get a nice degree, 30 degrees is normally pretty nice. They can aim a bit higher, 45 is probably a bit higher though. And then there, bring the elbow first, and then sat all over my right. You should feel comfortable with that. Keeping this elbow nice and high on my right side, I'm going to keep my head up, my neck up, crouched over, eye set, and when I'm ready to go, I'm going to come around and throw. The key things here is that you want to push up with the chest and flick over with the wrist. The left arm's going to pull up and pull down like you're grabbing an apple off a tree, and that's pretty crucial because if you do both those things, you're going to end up facing outwards with the chest up and in a good position. And again, another shot. Remember that a high chest with a high arm is really important for kids. High set net, facing out down the sector, and over, and pushing out. You can see that both my feet are roughly where they started. I'm in a good blocking position. I'm not pushing over, I'm not falling down. Another thing the kids will drop is they'll drop that elbow as soon as they come round, or they'll drop this left arm. So they come around like that, arm down, or they'll finish right like that. Key points, as I said, finish nice and high up.